Students, welcome to Sri Academy online platform. Today we are discussing the class 6 English chapter 1 Lonely Sunday word meaning. First word is deserted. DESERTED deserted. English meaning of this word is empty because all of the people have left. I repeat once again, empty because all the people have left. Hindi meaning of this word is virana. I repeat once again, virana. Next word is apartment. APARTMENT apartment. English meaning of this word is set of rooms rented for a holiday. I repeat once again, set of rooms rented for a holiday. Hindi meaning of this word is flat. I repeat once again, flat. Next word is medieval. MEDIEVAL, medieval. In English meaning of this word is belonging to the period between the 11th and the 15th century. I repeat once again, belonging to the period between the 11th and the 15th centuries. Hindi meaning of this word is Madhyakalin. I repeat once again, Madhyakalin. Next word is waitress. WAITRESS, waitress. English meaning of this word is a woman whose job is to serve customer at their table in a restaurant, etc. I repeat once again, a woman whose job is to serve customers at their table in a restaurant, etc. Hindi meaning of this word is Naukarani. I repeat once again, Naukarani. Next word is marvelous. MARVELOUS, marvelous. English meaning of this word is very good, wonderful. I repeat once again, very good, wonderful. Hindi meaning of this word is anokha. I repeat once again, anokha. Next word is portion. PORTION, portion. English meaning of this word is a part or share of something. I repeat once again, a part or share of something. Hindi meaning of this word is hisse. I repeat once again, hisse. Next word is bothered. I repeat once again, bothered. BOTHERED, bothered. English meaning of this word is worried about something. I repeat once again, worried about something. Uh, Hindi meaning of this word is pareshan. I repeat once again, pareshan. Next word is slammed. SLAMMED, slammed. English meaning of this word is to shut or make something shut very loudly and with great force. I repeat once again, to shut or make something shut very loudly and with great force. Hindi meaning of this word is patak diya. I repeat once again, patak diya. Next word is scattered. SCATTERED, scattered. English meaning of this word is spread over a large area or happening several times during a period of times. I repeat once again, spread over a large area or happening several times during a period of times. Hindi meaning of this word is bikhare hue. I repeat once again, bikhare hue. Next word is amused. AMUSED, amused. English meaning of this word is thinking that something is funny and wanting to laugh or smile. I repeat once again, thinking that something is funny and wanting to laugh or smile. Hindi meaning of this word is जांच पड़ताल. I repeat once again, जांच पड़ताल. Next word is conkers. CONKERS, conkers. English meaning of this word is hard, shiny, dark brown nuts of a horse chestnut trees. I repeat once again, hard, shiny, dark brown nut of a horse chestnut trees. Hindi meaning of this word is ban khor. I repeat once again, ban khor. Next word is trimmed. TRIMMED, trimmed. English meaning of this word is to cut a small amount of something so that it is tidy. I repeat once again, to cut a small amount of something so that it is tidy. In Hindi meaning of this word is chutney. I repeat once again, chutney. Next word is ungrateful. UNGRATEFUL, ungrateful. English meaning of this word is not feeling or showing thanks to somebody. I repeat once again, not feeling or showing thanks to somebody. Hindi meaning of this word is ehsan faramosh. I repeat once again, ehsan faramosh. Next word is cobbled. COBBLED, cobbled. English meaning of this word is a rounded stone used on the surface of an old fashioned road. I repeat once again, a rounded stone used on the surface of an old fashioned road. Hindi meaning of this word is patthar. I repeat once again, patthar. Next word is scornfully. SCORNFULLY, scornfully. English meaning of this word is in a way that so you have no respect for someone or something and think they are stupid. I repeat once again, in a way that so you have no respect for someone or something and think they are stupid. Hindi meaning of this word is तिरस्कार से. I repeat once again, तिरस्कार से. So student, our word meaning is continue in next video. Keep watching. Thank you.